Hi, this is Mike with PEAK Handyman. We are at my customer's location today and preparing to install a doggy door. Okay, so here is the project. We're going to install the larger doggy door in place of the smaller door, and this will be, as you can tell, and integrated into the actual door itself, which we have other locations, other customers that have their doggy door located on the side of the wall. So it just depends on what your preference is for the location. But we can install these wherever you like. Okay, we're finished with the doggy door. We have Elsa here, and she is a little hesitant right now, but the door swings good, right, Elsa? Yeah. So we'll see you on the next one.